everyone. My name is Tammy Leigh Robinson, and I wanted to take a few minutes to share my experience with DNA Legacy Group, with DNA Social Media Marketing. I met Ruth after leaving the corporate world. I was in the corporate world for over 28 years in insurance. I was a branch manager, a people leader, and following disease, I wanted to follow my passion, and that was start my own business. So I knew how to run a business, but working in the corporate world, I had teams. I had teams for payroll, for marketing, I had an idea, I would send this to marketing and they would produce it all. So for me to start from scratch my own business, to be the know all, end all, be all of every area of my business, that was very overwhelming. And, Ruth came into my life in the perfect time, perfect moment, because I was struggling with having lost 3 people in my family within 9 months. So being part of the mastermind and learning about the Joe Dispenza and how to rewire our mind. So that was a key element in rebuilding me, who I was as a person. Even though I had this knowledge for business, I felt inside broken with, all the losses we had suffered in our family, plus me and the disease. So Joe Dispenza, the mastermind meetings, that's where I got my personal power back. And, but let's not forget all of the social media aspect. Ruth brought AI into my life. I wasn't aware very much last year. Ruth is very innovative. She's, before the game, what's going on. So Ruth was just, my pillar to bring in technology, to bring in automation, to bring in sales funnels. I had no clue what a sales funnel was. And now, thanks to Ruth, I have different sales funnels, one for my morning club, which is like the windmill to bring in my clients. And then after that, I have my one-on-ones, and with all of the automation that Ruth, taught me. Yes, we use this automation in the corporate world. However, it was outsourced with another business. So I didn't know the back ends of this. So really, it's one thing to know how to manage a business, but when you don't know all of the marketing tools that you have to do now, Ruth was just a lifesaver for me. And really, she gave me my personal power back. I'm a coach and I love working with people, but if you could just put me in a room with these people and not have me go do social media, I would have been really good. But I created an ebook with Ruth to give as a gift to my clients in my funnels. Now we're creating the perfect webinar. We've created a new product. So it's incredible, all of the products and things we've created with the funnels. So Ruth, I want to sincerely thank you. I will be forever grateful for showing me that it is possible and helping me grow my business, start my business, launch my business, at a whole other level. I was existing. I already had my business, but now it's scaling it to technology, scaling it to today's world with automation. And so again, thank you. I will sincerely be forever grateful.